This is class number 8 of the Applied Vastu free preliminary course. In our previous lecture, we talked about the 5 elements: fire, earth, air, water and space. In this class, we will cover the 16 directions. The concept of the 16 directions is already mentioned in the classical text Vishwakarma Prakash. So, the 16 directions are not part of modern Vastu. Many people think that terms like east, southeast, south-southwest or north-northeast were recently created by consultants, but these directional divisions already existed in ancient Vastu literature. The 16 zones are formed by dividing the 8 primary directions into smaller directional sectors. Here, we will learn which placements and activities are associated with each direction according to the classical Shlokas of Vishwakarma Prakash. Before understanding the attributes of the 16 directions, one of the first challenges many students face is accurately creating a directional grid on a floor plan. To simplify this process, AppliedVastu has developed its own specialized AppliedVastu software. By simply uploading your floor plan into the software, you can easily mark all 16 directions along with the functional areas of the property, such as bedrooms, kitchen, living spaces, and other placements. For AppliedVastu A to Z course students, this software is provided free for lifetime access. Now, let's concentrate on the attributes of the 16 directions. As mentioned earlier, these 16 directional divisions are described in the ancient text Vishwakarma Prakash, chapter 2. We will now study the classical shlokas one by one and understand the attributes and significance associated with each direction. One of the classical shlokas mentions
ईशान्यं देवता गेहं पूर्वश्च स्नान मंदिरम अग्नेयं पाक सदनम भांडारगृहं तथो उत्तरे.
Here, Ishanyam refers to the northeast direction, which is considered ideal for a temple or prayer room, while the east direction is regarded as suitable for bathing and cleansing activities. Agneyam refers to the Agni corner or the southeast direction, and Pakasdanam means kitchen. Therefore, the southeast direction is recommended for the kitchen and other fire-related activities. Similarly, the north direction is considered appropriate for storage and treasury purposes. The next line is
अग्नेय पूर्वश्च मध्ये दधि मंथन मंदिरम.
According to this shloka, the zone located between the east and southeast directions, which is east of southeast, is considered suitable for activities such as churning curd and other food processing related tasks. The next line is
अग्नेय प्रेतश्च मध्ये अजगिहं पश्यते.
This shloka means the zone located between the southeast and south directions, which is south of southeast, is considered auspicious for storing ghee, oils, and other fire-related consumable substances. Although there is no direct shloka specifically describing the south direction, here we find a reference to the zone associated with the southern sector in this particular shloka.
यम में नैऋत्योर मध्ये पुरुषत यगा मंदिरम.
Here, Yamya refers to the south direction associated with Yama, while Nairitya refers to the southwest direction. According to this shloka, the zone between these two directions, which is south of southwest, is considered suitable for waste disposal and sanitation related activities. However, in our case studies, we have noticed that south-southwest is not the disposal zone for everyone. If you study Vastu more deeply, you will understand that these shlokas mainly explain the directional qualities. In Applied Vastu, we always say that general Vastu works only around 20%, the remaining 80% depends on an individual's Janma Kundli. For example, if a person builds a toilet in the south-southwest zone and that person has Taurus Lagna, then that individual may experience relationship issues. Now the next line says,
नैऋत्य अंबुपायो मध्ये विद्याभासस्य मंदिरम.
Here, Nairitya refers to the southwest direction, while Ambupaya refers to the west direction According to this shloka, the zone between these two directions is called west of southwest and is considered suitable for study, learning, and educational activities. Now the next line says,
पश्चिमा अनिल योर मध्ये रोर्धनार्थम गृहम स्मिथम.
according to this shloka, the zone between west and northwest directions, which is called west of northwest direction, is traditionally associated with grief, crying, or detoxification. The next line is,
वायव्य उत्तरीय मध्ये रति गिहम पश्यते.
according to this shloka, the zone between northwest and north direction, which is north of northwest, is considered auspicious for romance and marital intimacy. The last line is,
उत्तरे शान्यो मध्ये औषध धारतेन्तु कारयेत.
according to this line, the zone north of northeast is considered suitable for storing medicines and performing healing related activities. There is no specific shloka currently available for the east of northeast zone, which lies between the northeast and east directions. Historically, many ancient Indian scriptures and knowledge systems suffered destruction during foreign invasions, including the burning of large libraries such as Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya. As a result, many traditional texts available today are incomplete or fragmented. This is why several classical Vastu texts such as Vishwakarma Prakash, Mayamatam, Mansara, Manushyalaya Chandrika, Rajvallabha, Prashna Shilpa Shastra, and many more are not available in their complete original form today. Therefore, in the modern study of Vastu Shastra, one should not rely solely on the currently available textual references. Practical observation, application of ancient principles, and verification through real-life case studies are equally important. Applied Vastu follows this approach by combining classical Vastu principles with extensive practical analysis and observation. Over the years, we have studied and observed more than 18,000 real-life case studies to understand and validate these principles in practical scenarios. However, simply following directional rules alone does not guarantee complete Vastu results. Many people correctly place kitchens in the southeast or keep the northeast open, yet still experience problems. This is why Applied Vastu follows a perfect combination of Disha and Dasha. Here, we do not believe in 4-day shortcut teaching methods. We explain every crucial topic related to Vastu Shastra in detail through our live Zoom sessions. We also conduct dedicated Q&A sessions after our classes, where we answer everyone's doubts thoroughly. If any student feels they need more time to understand certain concepts, they always have the option to repeat the classes for better clarity and understanding. This way helps our students develop clarity and confidence in their Vastu analysis, so they can work without confusion or self-doubt, and gradually build a strong future in this field. After completing this video, a short multiple choice question will appear. Once you answer it correctly, the next lesson will be unlocked for you to continue your learning journey. In the next class, we will move one step deeper and understand the concept of the 32 directional pathas and learn why the exact position of an entrance is so important in Vastu Shastra.